Good day everyone. Today I will explain to you about the vertical farm. So in these slides, it shows the vertical farm. So vertical farming is a modern way of growing plants in tall buildings or indoor spaces. It saves spaces and is useful, especially sa big cities where land is limited. So next slide is it talks about the challenges of global cities. So big cities are often targets of terrorism because of their global influence. So example are the 9/11 attack in New York and the 2015 Paris attacks. So this shows that global cities face security problem. So next slide. So the next slide is talk about the global city and the poor. This slide explains inequality in global cities. So there is a big gap between rich or and poor in some cities like Mumbai, Jakarta, and also we have the Manila. Modern buildings are near poor communities or we call it shanty towns. So this shows social and economic inequality. So next slide is this slide is also about the global cities and the poor. So sa RSK sa New York or sa San Francisco na mga poor urban communities dito nga mostly African, American o immigrant families. Kasagaran ana nila kay limited ilang opportunities para makaangat sa life, angat sa kinabuhi. So gentrification kay phenomenon nga ang mga pobre ma-displace or mapahawa kay mosulod ang mga dato nga residente. Then musaka ang presyo sa balay o ang renta nila. So sa sa Australian cities food ang poor Aboriginal Australians ang pinaka apektado ani nga situation.